how to delete your Google account. First of all, head over to your application Gmail. Make sure you are logged into your account that you want to delete. Tap on your profile at the top right corner. The option of Manage your Google account will be visible to you. Tap on it. It will land you on this interface. Head over to the section of Data and Privacy. Scroll down until you see the option of Delete your Google account. Once the option is visible, head over to it. Further confirmation into the password of your Google account. Once you have entered the password, tap on Next. It will land you on this page. Scroll down and tap on both of this checkbox. And now once you are ready to delete your Google account, tap on this Delete Account at the bottom right corner. Account will be permanently deleted and you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this was a tutorial video on how to delete your Google account. I really hope this video is gonna help you out. Thank you for watching it till the end.